Kyrgyzstan in the blue. He's just 20. He's got, I think, 3 age level medals. He's got, yes, a U20 gold, bronze, and a U23 bronze. And he's still just 20 years old. His opponent, the 30-year-old veteran, Hans Wagner, at his 4th World Championship.
О мобильдик операторын тандайсыңбы? Супер! Переходи на О комбо тарифтерinin линейкасы менен андан дагы мыкты болот. Сага гана маанилисин кор. Акысыз комбо опцияларды туташтыр. Гигабайттарды 2 эсе көбөйтүү оңой эле. Wi-Fi таратуу албетте. Яндекс Плюска акысыз жазылуу, тасмалар, музыка, китептер жана таксиге арзандатуулар. Же ар кандай табитке ылайыктуу онлайн кинотеатрлар. Баары акысыз, баары мой о тиркемесинде, баары сен каалагандай.
Janishov taking ground. He's moving Wagner around a bit. Wagner trying to fight back to the center. Janishov has a little bit of leverage there. He's staying real low in his stance. 87 kilos. These are big guys. Moving them around is tough. And it's Wagner that gets dinged for passivity. So 1 point to Janishov. 4 minutes, 36 seconds. Halfway, almost halfway through the first period. 1/4 of this match is over. Janishov is on offense in parterre. He's got a hold. He's got a lock around the body. Trying to step to one side, and he's not going to get any points here. So Wagner's defense holds up. Oh, and Janishov does get the turn. So a lot of time to work. And we'll look at that again. He went up high, pulled him up, and then rolled him forward. But Wagner's going to...
Challenge 1. And time, go back.
So they call risk.
47.
Which means it was a slip, no points.
Now time back now.
Nice action, little flurry, but no score. Janishov was close to a go behind. Second period underway.
No step foot, red. Red, head up. Action blue, давай blue.
So now Жанышов
Action blue.
will need to score some other way, or else he'll get put down in
Action
parterre.
blue.
We're going to get passivity on
Blue
Жанышов.
passive, 1 point
But
red.
Жанышов will still have criteria at this point. He
Blue.
needs to defend against Wagner, who's going to go on offense in parterre.
From my side. No, my side. Yes. After whistle start. Correct. Correct. Contact.
There's the whistle, so this will be Wagner's probably best opportunity to score for the rest of the match. Under 2 minutes to go now.
Action red.
Gut wrench to the left.
Center.
Жанышов wasn't budging, so back to the center and 1-1. 1 minute 45 seconds for Wagner to score a point.
Head up blue.
Down to the final minute. Forty seconds. Two on one for Жанышов. It's a good way to kill some clock. Under 30. Wagner just trying to free himself. Final repechage match. Final 15 seconds of repechage in 2025 at the World Championships. Map B is done. Map C is under 10 seconds. A 1-1 bout. Жанышов has criteria. One final attempt by Wagner, and you can put it in the books. It's gonna be Асан Жанышов fighting for bronze against Hungary.